Hey friends, I'm excited to sit down with you and share this beautiful lunchbox with you. So grab your cup of tea and let's have a chat. This is actually the third version of our Founders Box. It's now been updated to include something new, and I can't wait to share with you. So if you've been following my journey, you know just how much these peptides and support products have supported me. Not just in how I feel physically, but how I show up each day with purpose. This box is such a gift, not just because of what's inside, but because of what it represents: wellness, community, mentorship, and opportunity. I mean, let's just look at this beautiful box. Make always nails it with packaging. Clean, modern, intentional. And inside are all 7 of our Bioactive precision peptides, plus our sleek glass water bottle, which I use all the time. These formulas don't fight your body, they work with it, helping you to build energy, focus, calm, and balance in a natural way. Each one supports a different area of wellness, and when you use them together, it's like giving your body a system that's designed for real life. It's not just another quick fix. All right, so let's start with, where is it? Fit. Let's start with Fit, which is part of our muscle and metabolic collection. Yes, this does have caffeine in it. Many of you know that I'm caffeine sensitive because of my migraines. So honestly, I was hesitant to try it. I started slowly and found out that I had no issues at all with these stick packs that you mix in with water. Thanks to the natural plant-based caffeine source in Make's formula, it's also paired with amino acids that help your body absorb it smoothly without jitters or crash. Fit supports muscle recovery, energy, endurance, and even helps to decrease fatigue. It's been a great addition for me as I'm rebuilding strength and stamina. Lean is another key part of the muscle and metabolic collection. Let's see if I can do this. These capsules, we're gonna set the box down. These lean capsules help to support metabolism, 2 in the morning, or as you find is right for your body. It helps to support metabolism, satiety, which means calming that food noise in your head, and healthy body composition. What does that mean? What makes it stand out is that it helps to reduce body fat without targeting lean muscle mass. It works with your body's natural hunger hormones to help you feel balanced and in control. For many midlife women, this one has been a game changer. It's about progress, not perfection. All right, the next product, Energize, is part of our Power Trio collection. So we've talked about Fit, we've talked about Lean. Let's touch on Energize. These 3 are our Power Trio collection. I don't use Energized every day, but there are definitely times that I need that extra boost, like when I'm tackling a big project at work, or I really want to crush a workout on the rowing machine. I'll mix an Energized stick with a hydrated stick, and I know that it is going to help me have steady energy without a crash, and it's a simple combination that really works for my body. And yes, Energize does have caffeine in it. Again, natural sourced. All right, next up is the third item in our muscle and metabolic collection, Hydrated. This one is a daily must for me. So we've talked, I've mentioned it a couple times already, haven't I? I usually do a stick pack in the morning when I mix with Fit, when I have my morning peptide stack. Takes 1 minute in the morning. Then I have another one in the afternoon. Sometimes it is the grapefruit flavor, sometimes it's the tropical flavor, depending on what kind of mood I'm in. I usually have a stick mid-afternoon as a pick-me-up, and it's amazing how often this helps me to avoid unnecessary snacking. Turns out I'm really in need of hydration instead of food. It supports electrolyte balance and cellular hydration. And as I mentioned, it comes in 2 great flavors, grapefruit or tropical. It's such an easy way to help your body function at its best. All right, are we ready to get focused? I love this one. Focused is part of our is part of our mind and motivation collection. These capsules help to support mental clarity, focus, and productivity. And let's be honest, some days we can use all the help we can get. I take one of these every morning before I go to work. It's part of my morning peptide stack. They also help me during training sessions in the afternoon to help me stay dialed in and focused, and helps to dial in that concentration. Helps me stay present, think clearly, and feel more productive without being wired. All right, next part of the mind and motivation collection is calm. Now you'll notice hydrated and calm are in white boxes. That's because they are wellness support products. They don't have peptides in them. These pixie sticks are something I think every one of us should have on hand. They go direct to mouth, kind of like, you remember pixie sticks when we were a kid? Well, that's exactly what these are and why they're so easy to use. When I find myself stressed at work or even feeling a little cranky, I grab a calm stick, and I know that it's going to help settle my nervous system without drowsiness. It kind of takes the edge off and helps me to breathe again. It's also great in the evening to help unwind. It's kind of like closing the tabs, the browser tabs in your brain. If your brain is running a mile a minute, Calm is a great option for you to dial into. All right, next up and brand new is Restored. This one supports deep restorative sleep, cellular repair overnight. I've been using it for about two and a half weeks. And I've also been recovering from a back injury during that time. So even while medication can disrupt sleep, I've been able to get several hours of deep sleep thanks to the peptides in Restored. It's not a sedative, it doesn't knock you out. It just helps your body get good quality sleep while you're asleep. So it's not just about sleeping longer, it's about sleeping better. All right, let's talk about this great water bottle. It's simple, elegant, and it's just a great reminder to stay consistent. I mixed up my morning peptide stack, my Fit and Hydrated, on the way to church this morning in my water bottle. Great and easy. While my husband drove us to church, I was able to sip on my peptides. Great for getting that wellness support on the go. All right, the real value of this box. I've talked about these 7 incredible products, but let's be real. The real value isn't what's inside. It's what comes with it. When you join Meg Wellness with this launch box, yes, you're getting 7 incredible products. You're also stepping into a system of support, mentorship, and community. You get tools, training, resources that help you grow, not only in wellness, but in leadership, mindset, and confidence. There are also exclusive affiliate perks, like earning extra points towards the incentive trip, Hello Hawaii, and even a discount towards next year's corporate event. But it's all about helping you feel like your best while building something meaningful. So that's the lunchbox. 7 incredible peptide and wellness support products, a beautiful glass water bottle, and all the community and support that Make Wellness stands for. You're unlocking a future filled with possibilities. If you've been thinking about starting your wellness journey or maybe joining this movement, this box is the perfect place to begin. It's wellness with purpose, community with heart, progress over perfection. If this speaks to you, message me. I'd love to help you find your perfect starting point and welcome you to this amazing community.